Let's review the components included in the inflation nozzle accessory kit. First, locate the rubber extension hose. Thread the tire air chuck onto the hose. This is the foundation that all of the inflation accessory nozzles will connect to. These nozzles are ideal for larger inflatables, such as inner tubes and airbeds. The smaller 3-piece funnel and needle nozzle tips will work with nearly all types of standard size inflatables. The funnel and needle tips secure directly to the mouth of the tire air chuck. For the larger nozzles, you will use this adapter. Secure the nozzle of your choice onto the adapter. You can use the optional plastic ring to provide a better seal for certain applications. To inflate an inner tube such as this, locate the correct nozzle and attach it to the inflation adapter. Next, connect the adapter to the tire chuck. Insert the nozzle into the opening of the tube. Give your compressor power by connecting the battery clamps to your vehicle's battery. Connect the air hose to the compressor and power on the unit. You can use the included needle adapter to inflate all types of sports balls. Use the funnel adapters to inflate most types of inflatables, such as this pool tube.